What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-107622-8. Failed to launch the application, and here is the application problem. So I'm just going to show you how to fix this up, and here I'm just going to share a screen on the left side, and here we go to the screen, and you must check your application is up to date or not. Here is, and if the application needs to update, you must update it. Then go to the settings, and here is the storage. You must check the storage. Sometimes you don't have enough storage to launch the application or download the application or add-ons or new updates. That's why you're getting the error. You must, and sometimes having a corrupted file, so you must check the system software also. Sometimes you're using an older version, application is a new, and you are using an older version of system software. That's why you're getting the error. And you must delete a corrupted file also. And here in the last, you just turn off your PlayStation 5, go to the safe mode. There's a rebuild database. You just simply rebuild the database. After rebuilding database or clear cache, the corrupted file will be deleted. You have enough space at storage also, and you must update a system software. After that, it will be fixed. So simply that's how you can fix this. And there's a one more option. Some application is not allowed in some region, so you must check your region and check the application region also, and after that do it. So simply that's how you do. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.